So today we're installing the FiberFrame window. It's a new window that we're carrying. This company, FiberFrame, it's really the first of its kind to produce this fiberglass window. It is 100% composite. The reason this homeowner is choosing to go with that is because it'll just never rot. She has the old wooden windows right now with the brick mold around it. All that's wood. This one isn't in too bad a shape, but in parts of the house it's starting to rot, and she just does not like the idea of going back with a wooden window, even though it's a big, beautiful home. So this FiberFrame gives a great look, but it also provides the material that just won't have any issues in the future with rotting, the things that wood has, swelling, cracking, all those kind of things. It's just a great window. So let me show you around and show you what we're doing to install it here on this home. So this is an opening where we've removed everything already, so I can give you a little bit of an idea of kind of what I was talking about. So this is a 1x4, so it's 3.5 inches. Our window's a little thinner than this, but for example, if we put the window in all the way to the inside, we still have this big gap. So we want the window to come out more like this, so that we can just put some trim up here and finish it off that way. So that's why we're putting our jamb extension on the inside to push the window out farther. That's just something you have to think about when you're removing a full tear out, which is a wooden window. To remove that whole thing and get rid of all of it, you're back down to the rough framing of the house. And so you have a lot of filling in to do because you just have that 3-inch window. If you're going back with a true wooden window that's 5 inches deep or whatever, then sometimes you don't need to do that. But every house is different, and on this house, this is the steps that we're taking to give them a good install. So on this window, we built the interior jamb already and installed that. So the window's been pushed in, embedded that, and installed. You can see our low expansion foam that we've put all the way around the window to seal that. So the next step will be to do the exterior trim work of the composite material. But let me show you the inside. As you come in here, so this is their casing and their window stool. That was already here. We're able to save that. It's in good shape. It looks great. They love it. It matches the whole home, so we don't want to change that. This is the 1x2 jamb extension that we've added. So we're going to bring in our painter, and he'll paint this to match this trim casing and the window sill, and it'll look fantastic.